Vai raga, siamo ai playoff. Gara 1, Miami. Vai, gara 1. 8 Milwaukee, 9 Miami. E qua dobbiamo dimostrare di essere fenomeni,
At the 2 and the 3 are Mayo and Parker. John Henson out there at Greg
Dai,
Monroe.
raga.
And it's Carter Williams in at the point. Monroe's shot is good.
Really crisp, intelligent passing to make that basket possible.
Vai,
For
Kume.
Miami, they've gone 3 of 5 shooting the ball so far.
Vai, pick and Kume, pick and Kume.
And it's Dang in the corner.
Vai, Deng.
Bosch dishes the Wade.
Wade.
Some nice ball movement
Da
here by the
3.
Heat. And it's Freak
Mattone
missing.
ancora, niente ragazzi. Noi
Bucks have
riusciamo
gone 5 of 9 from the field
a
here.
carburare.
The dish to Monroe. No one.
Marilyn Monroe.
The basket good off the
Ne
assist
mette
from
2.
Carter Williams. The Heat trail
Tutti
by
con la maglia
3.
bianca dei playoff.
Freak passes to Whiteside. Now here's Freak. Carter Williams covering.
Devo tanto salire di livello.
Bosch a screen on Monroe. Here's Freak.
Il Kume, mamma mia, cosa ha provato. Ho anche schiacciato in carriera, quindi può anche schiacciare il
We've got a
Kume.
chance now to show you the
E
hottest
questo è
shooting
molto
teams over
importante.
the course of the regular season. Number 1, the Heat.
Ah, tira
You know, this
canestro,
team
siamo
had
qui.
excellent
Bravo,
numbers
bravo,
during the regular
brava
season,
Miami.
and I would not be surprised to see them heating up here in the postseason as well. They had a nice rhythm going as the regular season
Perfetto.
came to a close.
And
Yes.
both free throws good from Freak.
Very good.
Carter
E
Williams.
siamo ai playoff.
He hasn't scored yet. That I'm sure will change. We'll go to Dorisburg, who spoke with head coach
Primi
Jason
punti anche
Kidd.
per
Doris,
Veneziano.
what's the news there?
We talked about the importance of stealing a game on the road.
Merda, che ha fatto una bella cosa Milwaukee. Ma sbagliano i gol. Vai, Kume, ragione. Pick and Kume.
Thanks, Doris. Freak with it. Now defended by Carter
Ha
Williams.
fatto bene a non tirare perché era proprio impossibile. Wade o Wade, vuoi la scelta? Bravissimo
There
Wade.
just aren't many guys like him
Time
who
out,
can
Bucks.
accelerate to the rim and finish in style.
Dai però, dai. La prima stagione per essere già ai playoff è positivo. Ok, Monroe. Abbiamo anche Marilyn contro, bene.
The Bucks trail.
Dai, vuoi sentire il tifo che sborra sto palazzetto,
And
dorme.
here's Carter Williams. Fades back. And that one
Grande.
comes up a bit short.
The shot's
Grande
there
rimbalzo
for
del
him,
Kume.
and he's got to take it. I don't care
Wade.
if it doesn't convert. That's a shot he has to continue.
Bel blocco del
Here's
Kume.
Wade. Here's Whiteside. And
Bravissimo,
he
bene,
cuts it
bene.
down.
And Kevin, the knack for the offensive rebound, a big part of what makes
Carter
this guy
Williams.
special.
Not to mention, Greg, his ability to finish with strength just like that.
Yeah, he's an invaluable asset for them to have. No
Defense.
question about it.
Carter kicks to Monroe.
And really the
Ancora
defense
fallo,
there
Madonna.
to prevent the layup, but that's exactly what you need to do.
It is. I mean, no reason to back off and give him the layup. Much better off.
Secondo
Make
libero.
him go to the line.
And some changes here for the Heat. Stoudemire
Okay.
checked in for Whiteside. Winslow comes in for Luol Deng. And it's Green in for Dwayne Wade.
Pa-pa-pa-pa.
Milwaukee also making some changes. Giannis Antetokounmpo
Mamma mia,
checked
Bosch.
in for John Henson. Vasquez
Grandissimo
comes
Bosch.
in for Parker. And Jared Bayless
Bravo,
subbed
Chris
in
Bosch.
for Carter Williams.
And if you're the guy who has to guard him, it is never going to be an easy
Nanananan,
night for you.
nanananan, nanananan, nananero.
They double him with three.
Eh,
Mayo dishing to Monroe.
Monroe.
Out to the right wing.
Defense.
On
Belli,
the wing,
bello.
and he gets the bucket.
In the
Monroe's
face.
got his third basket of the night right there.
Vai Kume,
Miami's
ragione.
gone 0 of 2 from deep here. Now here's Freak. Over in the corner,
Green.
Fades away. Offensive
Rimbalzo
rebound.
Kumendiano.
And that
Yes.
one's good. Freak.
How about the purpose with which he's crashing the backboard right
Blau
now?
job, Kume,
Some
blau job.
hard-earned second chance points.
Defense.
Outside Mayo.
Defense.
Passes to Monroe.
Brutto errore del Kume, l'ho lasciato andare, non so il perché.
Monroe's got 10 points.
Sì, 1 Miami, gara tiratissima in questo primo quarto.
Yeah, we're seeing some high octane offense from both
Da 3.
sides in this one.
Non ne va più uno dalla lunga,
And he bangs it home with one hand.
Non ne va più
Just
uno,
not enough bodies on the glass right there, and they paid for it.
Well, Greg, I know you're a little guy, but you know what it means to box out, and it's an effort thing and a mindset deal. You got to get your body between that other player and the ball.
Un bel blocco qua.
Tries from 16. Bayless's shot is off.
That was
Perfetto.
a good rebound right there, but they haven't
Vai,
been very
Wislov.
strong on the glass so far.
Clark, a little disparity there in the rebound numbers, but some of that
Stoudemire.
comes down to how the ball bounces. Let's see if it evens out.
Stoudemire setting the pick for Freak. 5 on the
Catroia.
clock. This is to Green. The three.
Buono. Ah,
Green
peccato.
missing again. Bucks trail by 3.
Ma guarda, ne stavo rubando anche io, Christiansen.
There's a screen to the left wing. And Bayless kicks to
Defense.
Nice ball movement by Milwaukee.
Guarda che culo. Oh, che stoppone, ma è ritornata basket.
With the teardrop. And it's Freak with the rebound.
Rebound.
Hey, I like creativity and a circus finish as much as anybody. But you better
Gioco
be
meglio
sure
su
you got a
assist.
chance to make it.
Attenzione. Solo cazzi, mamma mia. Ho rischiato tantissimo il ferro, mi dà una mano.
Already, they piled up 8 second chance points.
Buono, buono.
Feasting on those backboards. I love that
Dai che ci
physicality.
siamo. Dai che ci siamo. Stiamo giocando bene. Stiamo giocando un buon basket. E il Kume si gioca ancora.
Thanks, guys. I got a chance to hear what Eric Spoelstra was saying to his team. He said their plan was run their offense through Freak. Coach wants to get him involved early so he can establish a strong presence at that end of the floor and provide them with a well-balanced offensive attack. So still in the opening quarter and already some adjustments being made. Back to you,
Bello.
Kevin.
Thanks a lot, Doris.
Figlio della
Another nice
mignotta.
bucket down low. They've really been able to work the ball into the post effectively so far.
Yeah, and I think we're going to see them operating a lot of their offense from the interior today.
Il Kume l'appoggia male.
And Milwaukee the other way now. And the foul
Fallo di Veneziano.
That is his first foul of the game.
The first foul in the game.
Now here's Vasquez. T right on him. 56 seconds left here in the opening quarter. And Bayless kicks to
Bravi.
Antetokounmpo.
Great job preventing that ball from coming into the post. Might have been an easy 2 if the defense wasn't there.
Here's
Bravissimo Kume.
Freak. It's tipped.
Puttana miseria come l'ha stoppata.
Oh, and here we go. Bayless got the fast break chance. Great D that time from Green.
Vai,
His
bel
touch has
contropiede.
disappeared on him this quarter. He just hasn't been able to get it
Altro
going.
errore, ma che a puttana ha detto
Boy, I tell
male
you
però.
what, they don't get much uglier than the quarter he's having.
Yeah, and it's not showing any signs, Greg, of turning
C'è una cosa che non
around
sopporto,
here
sti
soon.
errori
I mean,
così
his
gratuiti.
touch is basically gone AWOL.
Now here's Freak, covered by Monroe. And
Buono.
Anderson kicks to Green. Stoudemire, right side.
Vai Stoudemire, vai!
On the clock, and that's going to do it. Some good defense
Grande. Ah,
down the
non va.
stretch to end the quarter.
Time out. No! Sto perdendo 108-100 alla fine dell'ultimo quarto, vincevo tranquillamente. Non mi ha più messo, te lo meriti. Te lo meriti, Dio santo. Ma che c'è? In casa come Milwaukee. Andiamo a casa. Andiamo a casa.
Freak, he's in a point guard. Stoudemire out there with Winslow.
Vale.
Then there's Gerald Green.
Finisce qua, ragazzi,
That's
perdiamo
Anderson,
gara 1.
55 down low. That's the group in the
Peccato, ho
game
fatto
for
anche una
the
bella
Heat.
gara, un
And
bel
so
bel
the
match,
Bucks
10
take the win.
punti.
A pretty good feeling right now.
The 2K Sports post-game
2K
show.
Sport.
Hi again, everybody. This is Ernie Johnson, joined by Shaquille
Dai,
O'Neal. Michael
Mobile.
Carter Williams. He had an outstanding fourth quarter where he really shined. And that
Brutta
will wrap up
sconfitta per
this
la
round
compagine.
one broadcast of the
Di Miami. Ok. Ok, 10 punti, 5 rimbalzi, 3 assist, è una palla rubata. Porca di quella porca. 2 su 2 anche. Ha fatto 2 bombe, ho tirato, 2 triplone. Niente, è un attimo capire come fare per le sintesi perché qua non mi fanno giocare più dopo. Gioco ancora poco. Vediamo un po'. Se finiamo i playoff con una fatta una partita e poi va da solo, vediamo un po' come funziona. O se c'è una cutscene. Ok.
To you, Freak, and I find it hard to say this, but I've grown to respect that in you. You're a man of conviction. But it's my responsibility to point out the consequences of that way of thinking. Now, for you, winning is everything, but winning isn't something you could do alone. It requires excellent, or at the very least, competent coaching, contributing teammates, and God willing, good health. And we all know that's not a guarantee. Now, the reality is you're not in control of any of those other factors, but if you, as the star player, fail to win and deliver a championship, you will be held responsible. You will be scapegoated, you will be villainized, and you will be punished accordingly. So when you say to me that as a free agent, all you care about is being in the best position to win, I understand what you mean.
Oh, parliamo free agent.
That's not only up to you. Now, I'm going to call my guy at Apollo Jets. I'm going to get us a private plane for this tour. I promise you're going to love the free agency experience. Now, your relationship with Vic has unfortunately cost us in some of these negotiations. We had 10 teams interested. We now only have 3. But thankfully, you wised up when it came to Vic. Have you been in contact with Vic? Yo, Freak, look at me.
He still has one of my cars, Dom.
What did I tell you about the L word?
The L word? What is
Sì, però rotti i coglioni sto Vic, cioè, ma che sboro.
I don't know what kind of hold this Vic has over you, but it makes me scared. You're a free agent for the first time in your career, and the only person you need to be loyal to is you. You need to be an FOF. You need to be a friend of Freak. Let's forget about winning without appropriate compensation and loyalty that hasn't been earned and isn't deserved. This is a tough business, Freak. We need to be tougher. Come on.
CC?
Woo, Lord Jesus, I was about to blow a gasket. Okay, Freak. Now, there are very few options on the table, and I want you to explore them all before making your final decision. Whatever you decide, it needs to be an informed decision, not an emotional one. The larger the market, the greater resources at your disposal and exposure for you. But if you don't allocate these resources properly, then it's just a big spotlight on you as you lose.
Well, thank you kindly, big sis.
She's right, Freak.
Thanks, Don.
Absolutely. Team Freak. That's what we're about.
Oh, whoa, I don't know if I like this.
What?
Dom and CC high-fiving like that?
I mean, yeah, why you got so certain I'm gonna lose?
Whoa. No one thinks you're going to lose, Freak.
You guys sure sound like it.
We just want you to select a franchise that has great coaching, super talent, exposure, but most
enorme
importantly,
spazio
a
salariale.
ton of cap space. If the team doesn't win and you're to blame, at least you won't be broke, capiche?
Capiche.
Also, you should make sure it's somewhere you want to raise a family, but no pressure.
You guys have made this decision so much easier.
Dai, andiamo in una bella pausa, sono venuti da Milwaukee.
Honestly, I'm torn. I've heard and listened to
Che
what
cazzo
you
mi può
all have
dare?
said. Don't take this the wrong way. There's just one person I have
Atlanta.
to say. That's big.
Lord help us.
Yo, Vic, where you at? I've been trying to call you, man. Hit me back.
You know him. He's probably somewhere too loud to hear his phone.
I don't know. I think Vic's actually upset with me.
Mercato dei free agent, aperto ora. Ok. 5 Indiana, sì. Beh, potrei anche stare a Miami in realtà. New York Knicks. Brooklyn. Vabbè, Miami la teniamo. Poi New York non c'ho coglione. New York non mi convince. Purtroppo ho 6 minuti, qua dovrei veramente farmi il culo, però comunque le belle big che i Clippers 2 minuti. Mettiamone 2 alte. Mettiamo Miami e New York, dai. Una grande città. E la terza la rischio. C'ho i Lakers di Kobe. Però non posso tradire i Clippers. Proviamo i Clippers. Se va male, affanculo, insomma. E se gioco un po' Cleveland, anche 2 minuti. Però i Cleveland 18%, mentre 14%. La squadra di LeBron non mi farebbe schifo, solo che giocherei tipo un minuto, devo farmi un culo grande come una casa. Vabbè, mettiamo i Clippers che è il mio sogno, tanto so che non andrò mai. Ok. Turno 1 di 3. Stipendio per partita. Allora, vediamo un attimo. Tratta. Più minuti. New York. Vabbè, New York. Non mi interessa. Miami. Attendo. Vai. Offerte free agent. Turno 2 di 3. Ok, allora. Rimaniamo a Miami, ragazzi. Rimaniamo a Miami, va che è meglio.
All right. Hello. Okay, well, I'd like to thank everyone for coming here today. I especially like to thank God, my Lord and Savior, family, my agent, Mr. Don Pagnotti, twin sister and manager, Cece, my lady. Thank you guys for all your support. I'd also like to thank all the fans, and all the people out there who consider themselves an FOF, friend of free. My free agency has been nothing short of amazing. And frankly, it has been a dream come true. But like most dreams, the reality is very different from what I imagined. Though I wouldn't change a thing about this period and the time I spent in the NBA, I can honestly say that nothing has been more gratifying and more difficult than choosing where to play next year. I sought the wise counsel of my loved ones. Nothing puts me at ease more than knowing that regardless of my decision, you guys will be there for me no matter what. Now, there are so many wonderful teams in the league, each filled with stellar talent and all vying to be number one. For me, there's nothing more important than winning and surrounding myself with those who feel just as passionately about the game as I do and have an unrelenting desire to win a championship ring. That's what matters most to me.
Miami è la squadra più forte di quell'8, c'è poco da fare.
I decided to take my talents to South Beach, Miami Heat.
Sì, sono rimasto a Miami però, Si va. Buono ragazzi, siamo rimasti a Miami perché tra tutte la squadra che mi ha più possibilità di giocare i playoff e più minuti, e quella è la cosa più importante. Adesso però ragazzi devo farci un culo grande così perché voglio assolutamente fare merdone. Ecco. Ecco il come è impazzito. Spero che sono un po' gigante rispetto agli altri. Bravo Pagnotti.
Yo, fool, where you been? I've been trying to call you.
Mr. Freak?
Yo, who's this?
This is Officer Vasquez.
Oddio, madonna, rotti i coglioni.
What did Vic do now?
Mr. Freak, there's been an accident. Look, we're gonna need you to come down to the following address as soon as possible.
What kind of accident? Put Vic on the phone.
I can't do that, sir.
No, you're not hearing me.
I want to talk to Vic.
Look, sir, we need you to calm down as soon as you can.
No. Hey, listen. Put down the phone, and I don't want to hear it get picked up until Victor Van Leer's on the phone.
Give me the phone.
Put Vic on the phone.
Mr. Freak, Mr. Van Leer was killed in a car accident.
What's going on? Give me the phone.
The car he was driving was registered to you. We were able to identify him from the
Listen
flyers
to
in
me.
his possession.
Freak,
I don't want to talk to you no more.
Freak, give me the phone. Hi, excuse me. Hi. Yes. This is CC.
Oddio,
this is
è
Freak's
morto.
manager. Who am I speaking with?
Hi, yes, look, we're gonna need somebody to come down and identify Mr. Van Leer. Eyewitnesses say that he was involved in a car chase. 2 cars were chasing him, and as the chase escalated, he eventually lost control and crashed. Look, I'm really sorry for your loss.
Hello. Outside of the deceased, was anybody else injured?
Oddio.
Vic died in a car accident.
What?
Yeah, they said he was in a car chase.
No.
Freak, I'm sorry. He died.
Oh,
I'm so sorry, Freak. Freak, I am so sorry.
No, paretto, dai, è un po' un coglione, però insomma. Povero disgraziato il nostro Vic. Raga, con questo pianto, un saluto dal comandone veneziano. Una cruda verità.